Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm going to make some baked chicken. So I will take like 4 to 5 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, and I'm going to add some poultry seasoning to it, and 2 teaspoons full of poultry seasoning of your choice, and like around 2 teaspoons of paprika, and those flavors are very mild, but it's very flavorful. So we mix everything in the yogurt, make it good. You don't want any lumps in there. And once you're done making the paste, you can just move on to the chicken, and we will. That's it. See, that's done. Okay, so I already cleaned the chicken, and I let it sit in some lemon juice for a while. So then I slashed the chicken, and I'm going to add a little bit more of the poultry seasoning to it. Rub it good, rub. Make sure it's all over on both sides, and this way when you bake it, you will have an even flavor. And let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. You know, if you want to add more lemon juice, I will not recommend it, but if you want, go ahead. And a little bit of black pepper if you like. Spray some pan, put the chicken in, and cover the pan, and we will bake it for 40 minutes on 450 to 500 Fahrenheit. So that's perfect timing. 8 to 10 pieces of chicken, 40 minutes, and it will be done. So meanwhile, I'm going to make some kale and spinach mix, some green chilies. This green chili is very mild, and there's nothing much to it except for flavor, and quarter teaspoon of salt, or according to your own taste buds and or your diet needs. And then tablespoon of oil was in there, a little bit of I'm adding a little bit of pepper. Okay, that's cooking. And make some guacamole, same thing, a little paprika, a little salt. I will add a little bit of lemon juice. That's enough, like half of a lemon juice. Chicken is almost done. Let's check on it. Yay, smells so good. It's done. So another 2 or 3 minutes. I will leave it in the oven uncovered. Let's check on our beans. I added red beans to it. That's good. It's almost done too. Guacamole is ready. Add whatever you feel, whatever you are comfortable with. And let's eat. Bismillah, bismillah. My food is ready. My dinner is ready. Chicken looks good. Kale, spinach, beans, perfect. Guacamole, let's eat. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know how I did. That's my idea of a healthy dinner. Leave me some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you